realistic, life-size talking characters for your haunted house or Halloween display. Imposing figures, so real, no one will know for sure whether they're flesh and blood or something beyond human. Manimations bring video projection artistry off the screen and into the scene with unparalleled realism and impact never before possible. Imagine an actor that never tires, or an animatronic with no moving parts to break down or repair. Add fresh excitement year after year simply by changing costumes or swapping out the DVD. With the flexibility of our growing assortment of characters, Night Fright's Manimations are the new must-have addition to your haunt. Order yours now.